If you want to earn extra income outside of your 9 to 5, a side hustle could be the solution. Side hustles are typically part-time jobs that fit your schedule, skill set, and lifestyle. Finding the right side gig often depends on your interests and how much time and energy you have to devote to an additional venture. More freedom these days to work remotely has opened the door to making money during off hours from almost anywhere. Some side hustles require having particular skills, education, and experience, while others are relatively easy to start without prior experience. Not all side hustles are created equal, with some offering the opportunity to add substantial income each year. Keep watching to learn about 7 side hustles you can start in 2023 that can earn you $10,000 or more. 1. Freelance writing. Not everyone is cut out to be a freelance writer, but if you have strong writing skills, you could net some serious cash creating content for websites and other media. You can take on as much or as little work as you want as a freelance writer based on your clients and your schedule. Of course, you will need to contend with deadlines, edits, and other requests, so only schedule enough work to fit your available time. The first step to becoming a freelance writer is to build a portfolio to attract clients. You set your own rates, negotiating with clients to make sure you're rewarded enough for your time and expertise. As you grow your freelancing business, you can level up to higher paying clients to increase your income. 2. Virtual assistant. You don't have to live near a business or individual to provide services. A virtual assistant is one of the side hustles in the highest demand these days. As a virtual assistant, you provide administrative support and other services from your home or wherever you like to work. Services may include taking phone calls, scheduling appointments, managing social media accounts, answering emails, booking travel, and more. Virtual assistants control which services they provide as well as their rates. You can find virtual assistant jobs through online job search sites, but there are also VA networks you can join to find work. You can also create a portfolio highlighting your services to attract clients. 3. Graphic designer. Businesses are always in need of graphic design work. If you have skills in graphic design, you can earn great money by freelancing on the side. Services like Fiverr and Upwork can connect you with clients looking for design work for long-term or one-off projects. Be aware, jobs on these sites often go to the lowest bidder, so it may not be the best way to generate significant income. Another way to put your graphic design background to use is to create printables and other digital products to sell online. Plus, you can make passive income several times over off the same designs. 4. Social media manager. Social media is a must for anyone doing business in 2023. You can make money as a social media manager working with companies or individuals to create social media content, schedule posts, answer comments, and other tasks. Other tasks include interpreting analytics to increase engagement, creating social campaigns, working with other creators or influencers, and more. If you're going to spend your time off on social media, why not get paid for it? 5. Rideshare driver. If you own a car and have a driver's license, you can use it to make money on the side as a rideshare driver. One of the biggest perks of working as a driver for Uber, Lyft, or other rideshare companies is that it's one of the few jobs that you can do anytime or anywhere. People need rides around the clock, especially if they live near larger cities or high-traffic areas. Rideshare drivers don't have a set work schedule they must follow. You get to choose your hours and work when you want. Unfortunately, there are only so many hours in a day, so there's a ceiling to how much you can make as a driver. 6. Medical scribe. Most healthcare providers have moved to keeping electronic health records, EHR. If you're thinking about a career in the healthcare field, working as a medical scribe can help you get your foot in the door while earning decent money. A medical scribe operates like a personal assistant to a physician, gathering and documenting information in the EHR for the physician. Becoming a medical scribe often requires some training, but the employer usually covers it. It's possible to work as a scribe remotely, but it may require being in person at a medical facility. 7. Photographer. Put your photography skills to use as a photographer on the side. There are several ways to make extra money with photography. You can earn money by providing in-person photography services for weddings, engagements, family portraits, and other events. Stock photo sites pay photographers for their photos. Typically, you get paid per download of an image you provide. You can also make money teaching others how to take better pictures through workshops or by creating an online course. Is a side hustle right for you? You might be a prime candidate for a side hustle if you have time to spare and want to earn more income. Determine what type of side work you want to do, whether it requires additional equipment or training, and how much time you have to devote to building a side business. Getting a business credit card can help cover startup expenses. With most side hustles, you're trading free time for income, so make sure the side hustle earns enough to make it worth it.